Hey folks, have you ever wondered if it's possible to make a steady income right from the comfort of your home? Well, guess what? As we leap into 2025, it's easier than ever to tap into the digital world and make money online. Today, I'm going to share with you 10 proven ways to do just that. Whether you're looking to earn a little extra on the side or start a full-fledged business, these methods are the real deal. First off, we have freelancing. As a freelancer, you can use platforms like Upwork or Fiverr to sell your skills, be it writing, graphic design, programming, or marketing. You just create a captivating profile showcasing your talents, and soon you'll start connecting with clients globally. The more projects you complete, the more you establish yourself, building a robust portfolio. Up next is affiliate marketing. This involves promoting a company's products and earning a commission on every sale made through your referral. It's an immensely popular way to make money online. Websites, blogs, or social media channels are your best tools here. Thirdly, consider starting a YouTube channel. With video content continuing to dominate, YouTube monetization isn't slowing down. Choose a niche you're passionate about, consistently upload engaging videos, and once you hit their partnership criteria, you'll start earning from ad revenue. Next, we have online courses. If you're knowledgeable and passionate about a particular subject, creating an online course might be rewarding. Platforms like Udemy or Teachable allow you to publish and sell courses. From language learning to yoga, anything can become a course. Once it's uploaded, it becomes a source of passive income. Another great option is drop shipping. This model lets you set up an online store without maintaining an inventory. Platforms like Shopify make it accessible even for newcomers. In the fifth slot, we have blogging. While it takes time to build up, blogging can be lucrative through ads and sponsorships once your audience grows. Focus on a specific niche. It makes monetization easier. Tools like WordPress or Wix can help you set up a professional-looking blog in no time. Number 6, selling digital products such as ebooks, printables, or templates. If you have a knack for design or writing, platforms like Etsy or Amazon Kindle Publishing can be perfect to showcase and sell your creative works.